Okay, students, now we will learn how to convert rupees into paisa and paisa into rupees. Two formulas are there. One for rupees into paisa and second one for paisa into rupees. When we have to convert rupees into paisa, at that time we will multiply that digit with 100. Means 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. So take one example. We have to convert 4 rupees into paisa. So as the formula we will write 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. Now we have to convert 4 rupee. So what we will do? 4 multiplied by 100, that is equal to 400 paise. This is the first method. When we have to convert rupees into paisa, at that time we will multiply the digit with 100. The next concept is paisa into rupees. When we have to turn paisa into rupees, at that time we have a formula that 1 paisa is equal to 1 by 100 rupees. So for example, we have given 50 paise and we have to convert it into rupees. So what we will do? We have formula 1 paisa is equal to 1 by 100 rupees. That means when we have to convert paisa into rupees, at that time what we will do? We will divide that digit with 100. Like 1 paisa is equal to 1 by 100 rupees. In the statement what is given? 50 paisa. So we have to convert 50 paisa into rupees. So we will divide 50 by 100. It will become 0.5 rupees. How it will become 0.5? We will leave the digits. How many digits? How many zeros are given in the denominator? Here I can explain you the concept of numerator and denominator. The top digit is known as numerator and the bottom digit is known as denominator. In denominator, how many zeros are there? 2. So we will leave 2 digits in the numerator to place a decimal. We can say point. So how many digits we leave? 2. 0 or 5. Then we place decimal, or we can say point, and before the point we can write 0. It's on you that you have to write 0 or not. You can write it as 0.50 rupee also. So this is the concept of conversion rupees into paisa or paisa into rupees.